How to set Fiverr account security and two-factor authentication. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Then click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, go to the Account Security section. Here you can update your password to make your account more secure. Choose a strong and unique password that includes letters, numbers, and special characters. After updating your password, scroll down to the two-factor authentication option. Toggle it on to enable extra layer of security for your account. Fiverr allows you to use email or your phone number to receive verification codes. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you will be required to enter a verification code every time you log in from a new device. This ensures that your Fiverr account stays safe and protected from unauthorized access. Now you know how to set Fiverr account security and two-factor authentication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.